Ma'am, I'm still grounded, but I did a Pizza Hut because I secretly ordered the many things I'm not supposed to order, like pizza or stuff like that. Chuck Armstrong, we have a surprise for you from school. Not this again. Oh my god, here we go again. What? So, there was a superintendent speech that it was supposed to be due today. A school superintendent? What? You definitely heard me. If you misbehave there, you're gonna be grounded. Do you understand? Yes, I do. Good. Now, get into the bagging. Alright, fine. And make sure you get ready for school, okay? Like, Chuck Armstrong don't even understand. What even is wrong with him? I do not know. How is he even wrong with him with his sexuals? Yeah, I did not know. So, that was interacting. Oh my god. Chuck Armstrong just don't understand. After Chuck Armstrong got ready for school... Oh, Chuck Armstrong is coming. Okay, I'm ready for school. Okay. Make sure you don't misbehave with superintendent speech. Okay? It's later than today. Alright. Wait. There's after school. Oh, after school. I did not even realize it. Oh, it's starting at 5:20 p.m. Oh, sunset. Yes, I'm kidding. Alright, have fun. Have fun. Chuck Armstrong just don't understand. How many times do I have to say, stop? When it finally hit 5 o'clock. Alright, I'm back from school. Okay. Did you misbehave at school? No. Let me see, you're sweaty. No, you won't. No, you didn't. I'm not lying. Okay. Okay, it looks like you're not lying. So, it starts around 20 minutes. Get ready now. And wear your suit correctly. Alright. When Chuck Armstrong got a suit correctly, how do I look? You look pretty good. Oh, you did it correctly. Alright. Have fun, teenager. Okay. Alright, so I'm not going to be there. Okay, are you sure you don't want to be there? No, I don't want to. Alright, just fine. When it hit 5:20 p.m. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding. Hello, everybody. Hello, Superintendent. Oh, hello, guys. So, we have a speech important about school. Chuck Armstrong, here. Uh, 99, here. 52, here. 28, here. 80, here. 61, here. 64, here. 93, here. 70, here. After they got superintendent's cars, students. Alright, we're good to go. So, As well matter I'm saying, this school is gonna get remodeled. I have to get something into the interest, so I'm gonna press the fire alarm. No, you won't. I'm gonna do. Chuck Armstrong gets on trouble. He does pull fire alarm things. He pulls a lockdown prank. And he posted the worst of all. Getting students in trouble. Going to Pizza Hut or other places, Chuck E. Cheese or stuff like that. Walmart. Skipping school to pretend to be sick. And the worst of all, Chuck Armstrong is much trouble. Chuck Armstrong, boo! What are you doing, Chuck Armstrong, boo? Yeah. I'm going to press the fire alarm. As a matter of fact, I don't care. Chuck Armstrong, yeah? Where do you think you're going? Changing oil. Okay. Superintendent fell for it. I'm going to press the fire alarm immediately now. Ah, yes! The superintendent fell for it. So now, I am going to escape school immediately before the superintendent gets me in trouble. The changing oil is getting remodeled as soon as possible. Oh no, it's a fire alarm. Everybody, get out immediately! Ah! Don't panic! I'm sure there's a fire in the building. So, this school has a construction. Doc Hudson, you fly, right? Yeah. So, whatever you do, fly. Alright. Okay, I'm going. So, yeah. Everybody, get in the single fire line now. Alright, I'm going. What? How is he even on fire? Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Seriously? You didn't do much trouble. How is Oh, I found a suspect. 52 always gets in trouble. Oh yeah. I know 52 gets in trouble. Yo, let's not panic! Alright. Yo, so, there's a fire. Correct. How about you, 72? I'm in a member of Cautionary Stories for years. Did you just fart? It was 64. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Sorry about for interruption. So, as a matter of I'm saying, whoever I did this was 52. I didn't do it. Then who could have did it? The fire room just stopped. Let's wait for an announcement. 10 seconds later. Alright, the announcement should be coming here right now. Oh, this is the principal. So I know who did this. That is Chuck Armstrong. Chuck Armstrong! Come to the principal's office now! How dare you? Oh my god. Go to the principal's office now. Fine. Easy we did. And don't talk to me like that either. When Chuck Armstrong got to the principal's office. Hello, principal. What's this about? You've been pressing the fire alarm. Wait, no, I didn't. I can explain. There's no time to explain. You're expelled. And I'm calling your parents right now. Bop, 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 bop. No! Bob! Bob! Hello? Is this Chuck Armstrong's parents? Sorry. Armstrong's parents. Is this Armstrong's parents? Yes. What can I do for you? Your son, Chuck Armstrong, pulled the fire alarm. He did what? Yeah, he pulled the fire alarm. Whoa, I'm going to school right now into full speed. No, the village speed limit is 30. So, do not speed up or there are going to be cops. There's cops around here. Alright, I won't speed up. So anyway, I'll be right there. Bye. Bye. Your parents are on their way. Oh no, this is not good. Not extremely good at all. When Chuck Armstrong's parents arrived, who luckily showed up. Chuck Armstrong, who luckily showed up. Well, Chuck Armstrong, I cannot believe that you pulled the fire alarm. But how did you know? The principal called me. Oh my God. With Hamilton. Hamilton? Who's Hamilton? Oh, the tracking device when you're speeding. Oh, it's for calls. Like parents, principals, or stuff like that. Everything. Okay. Like almost everything. Okay. I can use Hamilton? Hey, Hamilton. Boop, 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 boop. Oh my God. Stop interrupting. Alright, I'll stop. So, you don't have Hamilton on your device. No. You had to wait until 18. Oh my God. I'm 13 years old. Chuck Armstrong, you're 13 years old. Yeah. When you turn 18, you can have Hamilton. He is 36. And I'm 37. Oh my God. How? Come on, let's go right now. You're expelled, Chuck Armstrong, for 6 days. Go now. No, no, no! Chuck Armstrong doesn't understand. When Chuck Armstrong got home... Chuck Armstrong. Chuck Lightning Armstrong. I cannot believe that you would decided to pull the fire alarm. What is actually the matter with you? Answer. Spit it out. I was getting tired of it, so I decided to press the fire alarm. Lightning, you tell him. Actions or consequences, buddy. So, you don't pull the fire alarm ever again. Like, ever and ever again. Don't you dare pull the fire alarm. You're grounded for 2 months. I hope you learned your lesson for unlawful taking the Pizza Hut. But no, you still haven't. Why? Because I was not listening. You don't understand. Yes. Alright, you're grounded for the next 2 months. But during that time, you're not going to hang out with your friends. No. Hang out with 52 or stuff like that. Now go to your room. Fine. You live in a green and squeeze out, you eat. And don't you dare talk to like us either.